Moment of truth. We're just going to get everything turned on real quick, see if everything's running. AC on. We got lights. Oh boy. Oh boy. Everything looks like it's working so far. Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Danny B here. If you are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button and definitely give it a thumbs up at the end and hit that bell notification for when I do pop up. So I'm back again, and today is going to be kind of like a quick tutorial. I am installing a very special item on the truck that I've been needing for a good while. So let me show you real quick. So as you see, I have no radio. So the last radio that I had in here, it completely went bad on me. It didn't want to turn on at all. So what I did was I picked up a very cool thing, and we have to do a little bit of fabrication here because we're going to be installing this. Oh, you guys can't really see it. Sorry, I put an invisible cloak on it. Hold on one second. There you go. Multimedia player, audio DVD player. It's so we purchased this off of Amazon for about 127 bucks. It is NCAR or NCAR Pro DVD CD player. We're going to be installing this double den. We definitely need to do some custom fabrication into it. So let me explain something real quick about it. So in order for me to install this double den stereo, I have to do some major custom fabrication to the actual bezel and the dash, which means I have to do a lot of cutting, and I have to do a lot of taping up and trying to maneuver the double den, because this truck does not come with a double den. It comes with a single den stereo. Like I said, we have to do some cutting and fabrication. So in order to do that, we need this. So, probably wondering what this is. So this is a double den custom dash kit that you can use. Meant for the 97 to 2000 Dakotas and 98 to 2000 Durangos. 95, 65, 42 from Metra, if you guys want to do a double den setup with it. You know, check them out. I didn't go through Metra. I found this kit from David Loud in Raleigh, North Carolina. Thank you guys. I'll put a link in description down below where you guys can contact them. They have everything: stereos, rims, security systems, wheels and tire packages, just a whole bunch of stuff. But anyways, let's get started, all right? So basically what we have to do first is we have to take this bezel piece completely off first, all right? So bezel's been removed. So now, if you see, I have to cut and do some trimming in here. Thanks to Metra providing the kit for this model Durango and for the Dakotas, they came out with a cut kit, because this double den is not going to fit into here, so I need to cut and do some trimming. What I'm using is a simple razor blade to give me an outline, since I'm cutting everything out anyways. It's easier than using a marker or pen because you can't really get a straight outline. Since I have a blade here and it's nice and thin, I can actually get a is wired and looking good. I did all of this just last night to make sure everything is good. These are all female ends. And then I've got my reverse connection here. These two I'm not going to be using at all. These two brown wires I'm not going to be using at all because I don't have a steering wheel volume key for it. And with this parking brake, what I'm going to do is I'm going to splice this into a grounded area where when the truck is in park and you have to use the park brake, you can only use the DVD player. But with this being tapped into a grounded area, you can actually use the DVD player while driving, while doing whatever. So it makes for easy company for when I have someone in the truck with me. So I've already wired this side. We'll do another tutorial on how to wire everything correctly, how I've done it here, to make it look a little bit more professional looking and clean. I also did that to the wiring harness kit that I already purchased a while back when I had the previous CD player. You see I've got all the male ends here already spliced in, plus the connection for the lighting system for the setup. So that'll be some fun. It'll be quick and easy so that we can get it turned on. And the next step that we need to do is we need to cut in to this bezel. And in order for me to cut into this bezel, but we need to cut this and that out in order for it to function correctly, to make it space worthy. And then afterwards, once that's all cut out, then we have the fun stuff of custom fabricating the bezel. Because if you notice, the bezel is just slightly too big, or too small, I'm sorry. This little bezel piece is slightly too small to fit around the bracket of the CD player. So what I need to do is I need to shave off this little piece right here from both ends, all right, to give it a wider frame. And then I need to cut this black piece off in order for that to fit correctly around the top and sit comfortably around. But once it's done, it'll look just like that. So, but first, let's go ahead and check out the stereo and see if the stereo is working properly. I got everything connected, batteries connected. Moment of truth. We're just going to get everything turned on real quick, see if everything's running. AC on. We got lights. Oh boy. Oh boy. Everything looks like it's working so far. So I've already did my little thing with this. Got my measurement. Got my little cut line. You guys can really see right here. The little cut line right here. Up top to what I need to cut. And yeah. So for everybody out there that wants to do something like that for their Dakota or Durango. Definitely check out Metra. They do carry the kits. Definitely get a double den deck that is going to work or fit correctly for your deck here, for the dash, that is. But again, I really do hope you all enjoyed this video of me custom fabricating the double den into the dash here, and showing you guys that a little bit of work goes a long way, and to never look back. Basically, this is another step into what we're going to be doing with the future endeavor of this build. And please, for all you guys that are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. Definitely give it a like. I will leave the link down below and description of all the items, tools wise, the stereo, the parts, the dash kit, everything like that. I did not, like I said, do the reverse light due to the fact that I could not find the positive wire. It was a pain in the butt to find. So, but with that being said, guys, definitely please hit that like button. Definitely subscribe. Definitely subscribe to my channel. We got a lot more stuff coming. And definitely leave some comments down below if you have any ideas, or if there's anything that you feel as though I didn't explain as much. But I did my best, and I hope you guys, again, enjoy the video. And again, never look back and keep moving forward. Later, guys.